This is another look at the life of the tropical system XTC Penny up to a few hours ago. And for the 10th of January 2019, this is Force 13's AU channel with another update on the system, including what's making the local weather. However, severe weather warning has been updated for heavy rainfall by the Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland for people in parts of the northern Goldfields, Upper Flinders, Herbert, Lower Burdekin forecast district. Locally heavy rain likely between Bowen and Townsville, particularly with thunderstorms. And at 10 AM, ex-tropical cyclone Penny was located inland near Charter Towers. Bands of thunderstorms with local heavy rainfall have moved onto the coast nearby inland overnight and through this morning on the southern edge of the system. Locally heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding, expecting to continue over the warning area with thunderstorms during the next few days. Isolated 6-hourly rainfall totals between 150 to 200 millimetres are possible. Thunderstorm activity is also expected to develop about the coast ranges near and north of Townsville through to Cairns during today, and may also generate some locally heavy rainfall. Severe thunderstorms warnings will be issued as necessary. A trough associated with ex-tropical cyclone Penny is expected to move northwards along the tropical east coast later today through Friday, gradually shifting the focus of thunderstorm activity with heavy rainfall further north. An initial minor flood warning has been issued for the Burdekin River, and a flood watch remains in place for coastal catchments between Proserpine and Cape Tribulation, and locations which may be affected: Mingella, Clare, Woodstock, Guru, Air, Alva Beach and Magnetic Island. Now we have a look at the Bureau's radar. Strathbogie inland south air recorded 432 millimetres in the 12 hours to 10 AM today. Groper Creek near air 187 millimetres in the 12 hours to 10 AM Thursday. Enton Vale just south of Strathbogie recorded 171 millimetres in the 12 hours to 10 AM Thursday. And as mentioned, the Bureau has issued a further flood warning. And with ex-tropical cyclone Penny still impacting various regions of the state of Queensland, Bureau of Meteorology has issued a flood warning for the Fitzroy River. Minor flooding is expected on the lower Isaac River at Yatton during Friday morning, with further rises to around a moderate flood level Friday evening. Areas of heavy rainfall between 60 to 190 millimetres were recorded across the Connors, the Isaac River catchments and into the Mackenzie River catchment during Tuesday and Wednesday. The heaviest rain, however, was centred across the headquarters of the Connors River catchment and was associated with the movement of a tropical low off the Whitsunday coast. Now we have a look at instability from 10 AM through to the same period tomorrow. And again, it's a top end, but central Queensland down into the southern regions of New South Wales, storm a probability. And further chance of showers, patchy rain forecast to continue during today. There are no warnings for the state of Victoria. Strong wind warning will be in place for the east of Gippsland coast, Victoria on Friday. Nothing in South Australia. Nothing in the Northern Territory. Now we have a look at the Bureau's 12-hourly rainfall for the state of Queensland. And a tropical low ex-penny with a associated trough delivering some very impressive rainfall totals. The Bureau's total forecast of rain, the rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and you can clearly see where the activity is going to be, particularly when you factor in the dark green through to blue. And looking at the upper level divergence, wind shear, (24-hour) shear tendency, and the 850 millibar vorticity as seen doesn't show up much, although you can see where Penny was located. Now we have a look at the NOAA floaters on the Cyclone, and you can clearly see the yellow, which is dry air, the VOAC, NOAA floaters were playing up in the infrared or the rainbow. Another look at the life of the system. This is another satellite image or imagery. And a strong wind warning is in place for the Nigaloo, Gascoyne, the Ewan, Albany, Esperant and Ikula coast in WA, and the Bureau's cancelled the one for the Pilbara coast west. And a strong wind warning for the southeast coast. Down there in Tasmania, they've cancelled the one for the southwest coast, and a similar one will be in place on Friday. Now we have a look at the Pivotal Weather website. It's the GFS precipitation model. And the rainfall scale is at the bottom of the screen, and this is out to about 340 hours. Now we have a look at the Vanuatu service chart. And they're actually picking up on a low pressure system near Hollyar, and the Bureau's got nothing on their books at this point in time. And finally, the Fiji Meteorological Services current service chart. They have the 1004 millibar just to the northeast of Vanuatu.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.